So when you have somebody coming in with plantar fasciitis, just take it a step back and just say, okay, what else needs to be opened up? Even though your client is saying the pain is right here, most of us know, okay, well, when the pain is right there, there's probably some other issue on alongside the body that I need to address. So another thing I'm going to do is work on the shin. So I'm going to take this part of my palm, I'm going to anchor it in on the shin. So that means I'm going to go straight up and down. I'm really big on body mechanics. So that's another thing when I teach, is that I want you to save your body so you can do this work as long as you feel like you want to do it. So I lock it out, and then I just gently push your foot inward. So this is more myofascial work, and it's a little bit slower. And I'm just gliding down her shin, maybe 1/2 of an inch. And then I'll come a little bit lower. So fascia responds to pressure and heat. And so the slower I can move, the more I'm giving the body the opportunity to let go. How does that feel? Okay. And this I will do several times.